Hi, hello everyone. Myself Jivita. Today I am discussing about my project. The project is Automated Railway Crossing System. This project deals how to control traffic and how to avoid accidents at railway crossings and how to reduce the human involvement and railway grade. Abstract. The main purpose of the project is to reduce the railway accidents occurring at the level crossings. Railway is the vast mode of transportation in India. It is the cheap way for traveling. So there are more number of railway users and it is not easy to stop railway anywhere to obstruct accident. Due to there are major drawbacks of that. At present, unmanned system is available at level crossing. Hence, lots of accidents occur at crossings since there is no one to take the responsibility of the functioning of railway gate when the train reaching the crossing. The objective of this project is to handle and control the system of railway gate by applying the microcontroller. This model includes IR sensors, radio frequency indication. Problem statement. This project deals with one of the most common problem, that is traffic jam besides railway crossing. Since gates of railway crossings are manually operated, for most of the times gates are closed for no reason, increases road traffic. Moreover, in our country, accidents at railway crossings are increasing day by day, and the train accidents cause severe damage to the life and property. To solve the problem, we come with an idea that would automatically control the railway gates at the junctions. This diagram shows the connection between the components of this project. Here, IR sensors, microcontroller, motor, power supply, gate. Power supply supplies the current to the IR sensors, microcontroller and motor. Introduction of the project. Automatically railway gate control system is a simple but very useful project which helps in automatically opening and closing the railway gate upon the detecting of arrival or departure of the train. In general, railway gates are opened by the gatekeeper by knowing the information about the previous station. But some railway crossings are totally unmanned and mainly railway accidents occur at these unmanned level crossings. To avoid the human interaction at the level crossing completely, we need to automate the process of railway gate control. The purpose of this project is automatic railway gate control system reduces the time for which gate remains closed. This type of gates can be employed in an unmanned level crossing. Here the chances of accidents is higher and reliable operation is required. Scope. The scope of the project is automatic railway gate control system is centered on the idea of the reducing human involvement for closing and opening the railway gate, which allows and prevents cars and human from crossing railway track. Overview of the project. In this project, we are concerned of providing automatic railway gate control at the unmanned level crossing, replacing the gate operated by the gatekeeper and also the automatically operated gates. It is good when compared to the old thing. The reduction of the time for which the gate is being kept closed and to provide safety to the road users by reducing the accidents that usually occur due to the carelessness of the road users and at the time of errors made by the gatekeeper. By employing the automatic railway gate control at the level crossings, the arrival of the train is detected by the sensors placed on the either side of the gate is about 5 kilometers from the level crossing. Once the arrival is sensed, the sense signal is sent to the microcontroller and it checks the possible presence of the vehicle between the gates, again using sensors. Subsequently, buzzer indicates and light signals on either sides are provided to the road users indicating the closure of gates. Once no vehicle is sensed in between the gate, the motor is activated and the gates are closed. But for the worst case, if any vehicles are present in the train, The signal it indicates to the trainer driver by the red signal placed about 2 kilometers so as to bring to halt well before the level crossing. When no obstacle is sensed, green light is indicated and the train is free to move. The departure of the train is detected by the sensors placed at the 1 kilometer from the gate. The signal about the departure is sent to the microcontroller, which in turn operates the motor and opens the gate. Thus, the time for which gate is closed is less compared to the manually operated gates. Since the gate is closed, depending upon the telephone call from the previous stations, also reliability is high and it is not subjected to the manual errors. General description. Automatic railway gate control system is a simple but very useful project which helps automatically opening and closing the railway gate, detecting the arrival or departure of the train. In general, railway gates are opened or closed manually by a gatekeeper. The information about train arrival or train departure for closing the gate is received from the nearby station. But some railway crossings are totally unmanned and many railway accidents occur at these manned level crossings. To avoid human intervention at the level crossings completely, we need to automate the process of railway gate control. Functional requirements. The system is developed to automate the process of opening and closing the gate at the level crossings. The system detects the arrival and departure of the train for the gate operation using the sensors. This system also detects the obstacles on the track and controls the operation of the train. The arrival or departure of the train is detected. The buzzer sounds on the according to the signal. The gate will be opened and closed. Servometer is used to control the opening and closing the gates. Whenever the arrival of the train is detected, the servometer starts and the gates begins to close and parallel red lights are switched on. After the departure of the train, a signal is sent to the servo motor and the gates open and green LEDs are switched on for the road traffic to pass. Yellow LEDs are used for the traffic to know the arrival of the train. Interface requirements. In this software, interface communications with the C-based languages. Performance requirements. The Arduino UNO is a microcontroller board based on the ATmega 328. It has 4 input-output pins, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, USB connection, power jack, and ICP header, and a reset button. It contains everything needed to support the microcontroller. Output of all the sensors are connected to the A1, A0, A1, A2 and A3 pins of the Arduino. The pins D9 and D10 of the Arduino are pulse width modulation PWM pins. These pins are connected to the servo motor. Servos are controlled by sending an electrical pulse to the variable width or pulse width modulation to the control wire. IR is made up with dual op-amp IC LM358. Only one IC is required for a pair. A present is used for calibration. Servo motor. A servo motor is basically a DC motor along with some other special purpose components that make a DC motor a servo. In a servo unit, you will find a small DC motor, a potentiometer, gear arrangement and intelligent circuitry. Non-functional requirements. Maintainability. Human involvement is not required in this automated railway crossing system and this system can operate it itself. Reliability. The system is highly consistent and reliable. Design constraint. The design of the automated railway crossing system includes hardware and software parts. The hardware parts includes IR sensors, servo meters, resistors, buzzer, LEDs and the Arduino Arduino UNO, which works with both software and hardware part. Budget. The budget of the automated railway crossing system is nearly 10K. Appendices. We gather the correct requirements and information with the help of online platform. Black diagram of the project. It shows the black diagram how the IR sensors are placed and how the servo motor function, opening and closing the gate. Here traffic lights indicates the train arrival or train departure. When the train arrival, red light on to the road users to stay, and when the train departure, it glows a green line to cross the level. This is the flowchart for train detection. Here the train detection, here detection of the train, here train detection includes red light on roadside, and servo motor closes the gate and the train passes. If the detection of the train is not, so green light on and gate barrier always opens and the train stops. Flowchart for the obstacle detection. Here, this flowchart explains the detection whenever the obstacle is presented between the railway track. Here, detection of the obstacles are on the road. Train signals red light on. Red light signals to the train to stop. Then train stop by the operator. Here no obstacle is presented between the railway track. The signal green light on. Servo motor closes the gate. Wait until exist. If any obstacle is presented, the servo motor wait for the obstacle move. Then when the obstacle is moved, the servo motor closes the gate and green light on. So then train passes through the crossings. Here the diagram of the Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO acts as both software and hardware part. It has a 16 pins output. Here IR sensor. In this project we use 4 IR sensors. For arrival of the train we use two sensors. Departure of the train we use 2 sensors. Here D1 and D2 are connected to the servo motors. Servo motor. The servo motor helps how to opening and closing the gate. By using the servo motor, we can close and open the gate at the arrival or departure of the train. Buzzer. The buzzer helps when the train arrival or departure. The buzzer buzzes and it gives information as flowchart for closing gate. IR3 and sensors are activated. Train departure is detected. If the train departure is detected, motor activated and gates open. If no train departure is detected, then gates are closed. Opening gate. If the train arrival detected, obstacle sensor at the level cross IR2, buzzer buzzes, motor closes the gate. If any obstacle is detected, red signal on and the train stops for few seconds, and then if the obstacle is moved, green light on and the train passes. This is the flowchart for obstacle detection. Use case diagram. Generally, use case diagram explains the possible actions of the project. State chart activity diagram. Here the state chart activity diagram. how the project is interconnected and how much distance the buzzer activates, and departure of the train when the gate open. All these are included in the state chart activity diagram. Sequence diagram. In the sequence diagram, if the signal sent to the controller, it also indicates the distance for the arrival of the train. A controller sends the information to the servo motor. It checks if any obstacle is presented or not. So if any obstacle is presented, it sends a red signal to the train to halt a few seconds. If no obstacle is presented, it closes the gate by using the servo motor. If the train departure, so servo motor gets the information from the microcontroller and opens the gate for the road users to pass. This is the deployment diagram. This is the operations of opening and closing the gate. Right sensor, left sensors. Right sensors are used for arrival of the train. Left sensors used for departure of the train. If the right sensor motor operations, here the servo motor used to opening and close the data. If the right sensors are indicate a train arrival, gate closed by using the servo motor, and a red light on to the road users, and green light on to the train to pass through the junction. If the train departure indicates by using the servo motor, then it offs the red light, and green light on to the road passengers. Advantages. Here the advantage of this project. Here the advantages are: prevention of accidents inside the gate, reliable machine which operates the railway gate even without gatekeeper, which makes it useful for operation at unmanned crossings, power supply for the motor operation, and signal light is required. Battery which is charged by the means of the solar cell can be used in remote areas where the power supply can't be expected. Disadvantages. To establish the entire network, it is quite a costly task. Since there are the issue of government cost doesn't matter a lot. The Arduino board is delicate device, so it has to be handled carefully. Finally, the conclusion. The conclusion is the idea of automating the process of railway gate operation in level crossing has been undertaken. As the system is completely automated, it avoids manual errors and thus provides ultimate safety to the road users. The accidents are avoided at places where there is no person managing the railway crossing gates. Here we use the stepper motor to open and close the gates automatically when it is rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. When the train arrives in a particular direction, the transmitter IR senses and generates appropriate signal. Then at the same time, the receiver IR receives the signal and generates an input. When the interrupt is generated, the stepper motor rotates in clockwise direction. When the interrupt ends, the stepper motor rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Thank you.